What's up, guys? It's the Insane Irish Guy here at Muscle Motors. Just wanted to start your day off with a little bit of Audi R8 action, the V10. Now that you have the gist of what the car looks like, let's go over some key highlights of why this car is a Muscle Motors flagship that we actually put the time and money to make it stand out. So not only is it an R8, but it's not your average R8. First things first, back of the car, this is where the magic happens. That is a 1016 Industries Huracan Performante carbon fiber wing, rated up to 235 miles per hour. It's actually the same wing that Underground Racing uses on what is known as the fastest half-mile car in the world. Next, on the lower valence here, this is going to be the Vorsteiner carbon fiber rear diffuser. That way you are just going to shred through the air and make sure that the car stays planted and you never lose any type of traction whatsoever. Next, we're going to move into the titanium Fab Speed exhaust, which, don't worry when I play you a sound clip, looks and sounds absolutely amazing. Moving on, we have Vorsteiner's staggered 21-inch wheels wrapped in brand new Michelin Pilot Sport. Also, on the side of the vehicle, this vehicle is equipped with the $5,600 carbon fiber exterior package, as well as the carbon fiber engine appearance package. Color of the car, also, yeah, shocker. The reason it looks so good, they charge you extra money for it. It is going to be the Daytona Gray Pearl. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, this is where we put the Vorsteiner front lip on. Again, aerodynamics on this vehicle is absolutely amazing. Yes, it is a Quattro, meaning all-wheel drive if you don't know what Audi is, but I'm sure you do. Now, how about a cold start? So moving on to the interior of the vehicle, this car is actually equipped with the carbon fiber interior package, as well as the diamond stitched leather upholstery as far as your seats. When you're buying a $183,000 car, why wouldn't it have an absolutely amazing Bang & Olufsen sound system? Come on, get in. Alright guys, here is where you're going to have some fun. This is going to be your in-car drive on the dynamic mode on this. You can already hear that the baffles on the exhaust are open. If you notice, our RPMs right now, we're at 6,000 for the max red line, because the car needs to warm up still before it'll give you full power. vehicle is equipped with paddle shifters, so you can downshift it also. What's pretty cool about the Audi R8, if you push the plus and minus for your gear selectors, it'll actually put the vehicle into neutral and you can rev people. And then just simply push the plus button and it kicks right back into the designated gear. We just went into full-blown fast car mode. We're gonna take a quick trip to Mexico. Give you a little highway pull. That is what you call one quick car. Not the most torque in the world, but once she gets moving, she is gone. And that red line plus your exhaust note, let me just see if you can hear this just a little bit here. This thing being as low as it is, it's actually pretty manageable to drive. You don't have to worry about having to do anything super crazy as far as turning. It does not have a front lift system, and it is low with that front lip, so you gotta be as careful as you can. Give it the beans for you. Definitely does what she is supposed to do, without a doubt. And you have all of your different drive displays in here. So long-term memory, you can change the view, so go straight into race mode. Got to give you the good old underpass here. Oh yeah, this is your Alcantara. This is your Alcantara diamonds stitched upholstery on your headliner. Soft touch dash, leather dash stitching. I mean, the whole car is just put together so well. Steering wheel is, I mean, just your grip, everything for your driving experience is absolutely amazing. And absolutely nimble as all hell. Like this thing, you touch the steering wheel, when you want to switch lanes, it is switching lanes. Braking stops on an absolute dime. Also, car still has heated seats. All your air conditioning controls are going to be right here. Actually super well done, very clean, not cluttered.